Super Wheelz brings you an in-depth look at the 2025 Suzuki Wagon R, a compact yet spacious hatchback designed for urban mobility. This latest model features a bold and modern design with a refreshed front grille, sleek LED headlights, and improved aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency. The Wagon R retains its signature tallboy design, ensuring ample headroom and a comfortable cabin experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Wagon R offers multiple engine options, including a fuel-efficient petrol variant and a hybrid system for enhanced mileage. The advanced CVT transmission ensures a smooth and effortless driving experience, making it ideal for both city commutes and highway cruising. Suzuki has also improved the suspension and handling, providing a stable and comfortable ride even on rough roads. Inside, the Wagon R is equipped with a smart infotainment system featuring a touchscreen display, smartphone connectivity, and voice commands for a seamless driving experience. The cabin boasts high-quality materials, ergonomic seats, and ample legroom, making long journeys more enjoyable. With enhanced storage compartments and a flexible rear seat configuration, the car offers practical solutions for carrying luggage and personal items. Safety remains a top priority, with the 2025 Wagon R incorporating advanced driver assistance systems. Features like ABS with EBD, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, rear parking sensors, and a high-strength body structure ensure optimal protection for passengers. The inclusion of a 360-degree camera and automatic emergency braking adds to the safety package, making driving more secure and stress-free. The 2025 Suzuki Wagon R also stands out with its impressive fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective choice for daily use. The hybrid variant offers even better mileage, reducing fuel costs and environmental impact. Suzuki has also integrated smart keyless entry, push-button start, and automatic climate control to enhance convenience. With its modern styling, fuel-efficient powertrain, spacious interior, and cutting-edge safety features, the 2025 Wagon R is a well-rounded hatchback catering to both budget-conscious buyers and urban commuters. Whether you're looking for a practical city car or an economical long-distance traveler, this model delivers exceptional value. For more exciting car reviews and the latest automotive updates, make sure to subscribe to Super Wheelz and stay tuned for more videos.